What's up? What's going on? Daria Jackson Ligonier here, coming at you from cold New York. I'm standing out here in front of my on my porch, and it's cold. I mean, look what I got on. I can't believe that I had to wear a vest today. I got on a warm-up suit. I'm like, really? Memorial Day is supposed to be, Memorial Day weekend is supposed to be the weekend, where you come together, you barbecue, we're starting to open up, and it's cold. I went to the supermarket over the week. People were cleaning out the supermarket with, just getting their franks and hamburgers and drinks and buns and all of that. And look at what we got. Let me flip the camera. So before, I flip the camera, if you're jumping on, just say, hey, let me know where you're coming from. What's up? What's going on? Let me just show you how gloomy it is. Yep, so this is my block here in Brooklyn, right? This is where I am. And I'm just standing on my porch, and you could just see the rain hitting on the mailbox right now. Like, really, it is so cold. I can't believe how cold it is. But anyway, I just wanted to jump on here before I head out. I'm heading over to my nephew's house, and then I'm gonna head over to my girlfriend, because even though it's cold and it's gloomy, we still not gonna let it stop our day. We're not gonna let it stop our weekend. Hey, what's up? What's up, Dan? Good to see you. Thank you for joining my live. So up here in New York, even though it's cold, we still gonna enjoy our weekend. We gonna make it work somehow, some way. So I'm going to an inside barbecue. So how that works is that the food is outside cooking under an umbrella, and then we inside, we eating inside. So, we're gonna make do with this freezing cold. It's like 50 something degrees, feeling like 40. I'm gonna put on a cap for sure. But just want to ask you guys, hey, what's going on, Florence? Good to see you. Good to see you. Thank you for jumping on. Have you ever found yourself comparing yourselves to other marketers, affiliate marketers, network marketers, and feeling a way when they say, oh yeah, I enrolled someone, and everybody's congratulating them, and they're like, congratulations, so-and-so enrolled, blah, 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 or so-and-so enrolled 4 this month, or so-and-so enrolled, one today, way to go. And you saying to yourself, well, I'm not enrolling people. Where are they finding these people? I don't understand. What's wrong with me? So number one, you don't want to compare yourself to someone that's been doing this for a while. If you're just getting started within the last year, month, you can't possibly get results as someone that's been doing this 4, 5, 10 years or so. And so you have to look at it this way. In most cases, when you come into an opportunity and you see someone, pretty much dominating, they're enrolling people like crazy, that means that they have established a following. So there are people that they can connect with and say, hey, join me with this opportunity. It's blah, 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 and they come and join them because they already have that know, like, and trust factor. Because you can take that same script, right, and say the same thing and get crickets. So it's all in the relationship. Now, another thing, when you find yourself comparing yourself to someone that's been doing this for a while, all it does is sabotage your confidence. So hold on a second, I got a notification. Yeah, so what it does, it sabotages your confidence, and then you'll find that you will withdraw, and whatever it is that you know that you have to do, you won't do it, because you're busy, waddling in your sorrow and looking at the fact that you're not getting results and someone else is. So don't compare your chapter 1 to somebody's chapter 20, because believe me, we all start the same way. We all start with zero. We all start with having to build relationships, have to build a following, we have to all build our tribe. We all join an opportunity with zero commissions. We all did that. We all have that. So you just have to pay your dues. In anything that you do, you got to pay your dues. Think about your job, right? Let's say you've been doing a job for 10 years or something like that. Hey, Jenna. So let's say you've been doing a job for like 10 years. So you got to be trained on that job first before you can actually do it. You don't come on the job knowing what to do. And then you're going to go and pay your dues. You know, you're going to make your mistakes, right? You're going to have to be trained. You have to just take the time and learn the job. You know, you're not going to know everything. You know, you may have your embarrassing moments. Hey, Jenna from New York, what's up? What's up, Tamika? What's going on? What's going on? Hey. My neighbor's going in and out. So you have to pay your dues in anything that you do. You know, you're going to make a lot of mistakes. You may have some embarrassing moments, like I was saying. But, you know, we get through it. We're human, right? You know, you might get written up. You might get yelled at. You know, let me tell you, when I first got started, I did something really crazy and I didn't even realize what was going on. So, you know, I had my sales, I had a funnel built. I really didn't understand the funnel, but I knew that the funnel had to be built in order to capture leads. So I did not test my, hey, what's up, cuz? What's up, Mildred? What's up, Alice? So I didn't test my link, because I just knew I copied and pasted is going to work, right? Went and purchased traffic to this broken link. And I'm wondering, like, damn, like, why I'm not getting any leads? You know, why leads are not coming through? You know, I paid my money. And somebody that clicked on my link said, hey, you know your link is broken, right? I'm like, what? What do you mean? It can't be. I copied and pasted the link. Sure enough, I copied and pasted that bad boy, but it was broken. Bought traffic, wasted all this money because it wasn't going to convert no way, because people, they didn't get to my offer because it was broken. Hey, Kalechi, what's up? What's going on? So I say all of this to say is that you're going to make your mistakes. You know, now I check my links like 2, 3, 4 times, you know, because who has money to just throw away on ads and the link is not working? You know, we can't afford that. We don't want that. Nobody wants that. I don't care how much money you make. You know what I'm saying? So we all make our mistakes. I mean, I did a video one time. Let me tell you, I did a video and the volume was real low, so low that you could barely hear me. And you know how I felt like that was like my best video. I'm like, yeah, I nailed it. I went and played that bad boy back and you just see my mouth moving. You know what I'm saying? So these are some of the things that we go through as network marketers, as online marketers, as marketers. And I'm sure you can think of a ton of things that you did on your job or your hobby or things that you're doing where you made mistakes or you thought everything was good and it wasn't. You know, I remember recording a whole video and the screen was black. I'm sharing my screen to the like, yeah, and this is how you do it, and go to this tab and do that tab, and the screen was black. You know, so you cannot compare yourself to someone's chapter 1 to your chapter 1 to someone's chapter 20. So put in the chat if you had some moments where you just knew you had it going on and it wasn't going on. You know, it happens. It happens. I remember not too long ago, I was doing a live and I had my phone where I was taking notes and my iPad sitting up. No, I was doing it on my phone, but I had my iPad next to me so I can look at my notes because I was sharing something and I wanted to make sure that I covered everything. I done did something with my hand and knocked the whole thing down. And this was alive. And I kept it too because, hey, it happens. It had that been back in the day when I first started, I would have been like, oh my God, no. You know what I'm saying? But it happens, you know, that's why it's live, right? So I just want to let you know that, you know, you're going to go through go through stuff, you know, in this industry, in any industry, you're going to go through. You just have to pay your dues. No one, when it seems like people are successful overnight, they're not, because you don't see behind the scenes. You don't see what they went through. You just see the success that they're having, you know. But believe me, every person that's experiencing and seeing success right now, it wasn't always, you know. So to you, it may look like, oh yeah, oh my God, she just blew up overnight. No, she was in the trenches for a minute. You know, and I can tell you a story about my friend Lisa Torres. That's my girl. She grew up here in New York, and I say she started out in the industry where there were no videos. It was just PDFs that you had to read to figure this whole thing about marketing online out. So she did it. She paid her $97. She read, she implemented, and I say it took her about 18 years to earn $20 online. Yeah, I'm going to say that again. It took her 18 years to make $20 online. Talking about being in the trenches, right? Today, she is a 7-figure earner. She done moved down to Georgia, built her home. She has her own company. She's making her own products. I mean, she's doing the thing. But what if she would have quit? It's so many people that she has impacted, including myself. Because there's times when, you know, I'm not gonna lie, I'll be like, that, do I really want to continue doing this? I don't know. And I'm having success, right? So I can imagine someone that's not, you know. So, you know, we all have those days, oh, I don't feel like it, and then I think about it. I think about my why, and then I think about Lisa. And she and my why keeps me going because I know it's possible. And there's so many people out here that need our help. So share your story because you're going to bless someone. Continue to grow. Continue to do what it is that you need to do. Plug into your company's training. Hey, what's up, Pat? Good to see you. Thank you for jumping on. You know, plug in to what you need to do so that you can be successful. Do your professional development because you have to do that. That is so important. I remember when I didn't think it was important. It is. It's very important. Get all of that done, and then you're gonna notice a difference in your in your attitude, your task, everything. And then someone will be comparing themselves to your chapter 10 to their chapter 1 because you would have already gone through all the no's. You would have already gone through all the naysayers. You would have gone through all the days when you didn't feel like it. You would have gone through that already, and then they're getting started and they're looking at you saying, wow, girl, you blowing up. And you will say, oh, it took time. It took a lot of work. It took a lot of energy because this, you know, it really makes you grow into a leader. Doing this kind of work makes you grow up into a leader. It really makes you work on yourself, and then you really see what you're made of. So if you got value from my posts, my video message, just put a 2 in the chat. Let me know. If you're watching this, put hashtag live. And if you are checking this on the replay, just put hashtag replay. I really, really, really appreciate you stopping by. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. If you are in sunny Florida or anywhere else, maybe on the West Coast, and it's hot, can y'all bring some heat over here? Because it is mad cold. As you can see how I'm dressed, right? You know, it's cold. But of course, next weekend is going to be like in the 80s. So we just have to get through all of this rain. We got to get through all this cold and this icky weather we're experiencing right now. But you know what? It's still a beautiful day. It's still another day to bless someone. It's another day to receive blessings and give blessings. So much blessings to you guys. Have an amazing day. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you again for stopping by. Peace.